full of toys. A baby boy is pushing a cart. Which toy did he like? It's a cow. And this is a horse. A sheep. A goat. Wonderful. A pig. A bunny. A dog. Now the cart is full of toys. Wow, such a large toy farm. Hello, little boy. What is the boy doing? Wow, now the cow is moving. Amazing! Where is it going? Now the cow is in a cow pen. Is the horse going to move as well? Yes! Come on! A horse in a horse pen. Now it's the sheep's turn. Yay! A sheep in a sheep pen. The goat is next. Now the goat is moving. Yay! A goat in a goat pen. Now is the pig's turn. I think pig. Come on. A pig in a pig pen. The bunny is next. Yee-hee! A white bunny. A bunny in a bunny pen. And finally, it's the dog's turn. Hee-hee! Now the dog is moving. A dog in a duck pen. Nice. Goodbye, little boy.